Hello? Hello?
Yeah, hi.
Hi. That took a while. Sorry about that.
Okay, it's okay, no
Shush.
problem. So, how are you doing?
Okay, good, thank you.
Okay, you're from Australia or United States?
Australia. Yeah, no, Sydney. My VPN says the US, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me share my screen. So basically, this is your site, and maybe you are using this theme in for. Uh, Maybe this theme's license expired,
Yes.
or something is somehow broken the design. So I have to check after get the design, get the
Yeah.
login access,
Right.
and yeah, and here I have to fix this issue. For that I need hosting access because I have to work on WordPress core file.
Right. Right. Okay.
Okay, and one more thing you said about the book, and this functionality is not working. Maybe you didn't set up yet. So how many books you have?
There's there's ebooks and hard copy books, but the I'm just looking there. There should be two ebooks. One is Visions, that one there, and there's a new one called The Writings, which I've uploaded into the media library.
Okay.
And that I'm pretty sure I know that that one hasn't been connected to WooCommerce, but the Visions should be connected to WooCommerce, although I'm not sure that it has because I've tried it
Okay.
a couple
Okay,
of,
if yeah,
tested it out.
okay, no problem. So the two books will be listed in these pages. Already one is there, so it here will be the another page. Another
Yeah.
section of book, right?
Mhm. Yes, and the book cover also is uploaded to the media library
Okay.
for writings as well. Everything should be there. It's just a matter of connecting it to the WooCommerce and possibly, I don't know if
Okay.
Stripe.
You already installed the WooCommerce or not?
Yeah, WooCommerce is there. And see, this website belongs to my friend. I'm trying to help her with the website. She's got no technical skills whatsoever. So I suggested she move host because the hosting company she was with was not very helpful. And so it's in a good web host, but I just know that there's things that need to be tweaked on the actual website itself. Mostly, she wants to try and sell her books, and yeah, I think the blog's fine, but the downloading the ebooks, by purchasing and downloading the ebooks and purchasing the hard copies of
Okay.
the items.
Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, I think I got it. So okay, no problem. I'll set up there. So
Yep.
how it will work? Like it should be paid or free.
What should be free?
The
What's
books.
that? The books are paid. The I think I changed. Did I change the prices because they were too expensive? I think I changed the prices on them, but
Okay.
uh, I can. Yeah. Just trying to remember.
Okay, no problem.
Um, so
So I
maybe
have
make
to.
them
Yeah.
$10 Australian for the ebooks, or
Okay.
yeah, $10 Australian for the ebooks, and maybe 20 or 30 for the hard copy.
Okay, no problem. You can just drop me the details of the book, like the price, if description have, the images if you have, uh, and yeah, then I will set up it. And
Right.
so here, my task is I have to first fix the errors, and then I have to fix the broken designs, and have
Yeah.
to set up the ebooks with integration WooCommerce.
Yep.
Yeah, that's it. And I saw here there is no footer. So do you have any
There's
footer?
what?
Footer, I mean the
Any what?
bottom area of the website.
Oh, footer. No, there's just a one footer. I think there is a footer. I'm just trying to remember where it is. To go to the website. She's just got yeah. Oh, she used to have, yeah. There doesn't look like a footer there, does it? And yeah, again, it looks different on the desktop than the tablet and the mobile version as well. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, all right. Okay, so can you provide me the login information so that I could start?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
And yeah, another thing, do you have any time frame and
Just
what is your budget?
yeah, as soon, she'd like to get it done as soon as possible. I'm paying for her, but I'm happy to well, I've put my price up there, but if you need to charge more for the extra thing to do with the menu and what have you, or any out of pocket expenses with purchasing the new license for the theme software and what have you, I need to do that as well.
Okay,
So I think,
just give me the access. Let me check as
yeah,
well. Then I'll send
yeah,
you a code.
sure. Okay.
Okay.
I'll have to set up a thing for you,
Yep.
account. Um, I'll set up an account for you. Um, using, using. What is your email?
You can use your email. You can just drop me user and password.
Oh, of course. Okay, good. Right. Um, mm, that's, that's your password there and your username and so forth. the email is
So this is for WordPress user access, right?
for this is for WordPress, WordPress,
Okay, let me try now.
mm, it's there, and I'll get you one for the host as well. We need to do HT docs.
Okay, so WordPress is work. Now need hosting access.
My computer's very slow. Sorry.
Okay, so okay, I
Just
understand now.
logging in. It's you're in the WordPress, are you? And I'm just signing in for the
Hosting.
what's it
Yep.
called? The hosting. Yeah.
Yeah. I already knew WordPress, and I saw maybe I found what is the issue.
Oh, right. Okay. Good.
That's cool. Yeah. Okay, I don't think need much time. So I'm enabling debug mode. So if you see something broken mode, so don't think I'm just testing actually where is the issue.
There. I've just enter your username as fatal error. There has been a critical error on this website. Check your site admin inbox for instructions. I had this before. It's the PHP mailer thing.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. I'll fix it. I understand actually where is the issue.
Okay.